Layers versus broilers, what's better for beginners in Kenya? Starting a poultry farm in Kenya? Not sure whether to raise layers or broilers? Layers equals eggs. Broilers equals meat. Both can be profitable, but it depends on your goals. Broilers grow fast, ready in just 30 to 45 days. Quick returns, but more waste. Layers take longer, start laying eggs at 18 weeks, but give steady income for over a year. Layers need more equipment and investment. Broilers need good biosecurity and sales timing. Good news, Kenya supports poultry. Kenya's government actively promotes poultry as a path to youth employment and food security. No matter your choice, RETECH offers total project solutions from consultation, design, production, installation to raising guidance. RETECH Farming, the most reliable farming service provider.